In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook to UiPath. Establishing this connection allows you to seamlessly integrate your email automation processes, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Whether you're looking to automate sending emails or retrieving messages, this process will provide the foundation you need to get started with UiPath and Outlook. Let's begin by navigating to UiPath Studio. This is your primary interface for creating automation workflows. Once you've opened UiPath Studio, your next move is to access the integration service or activities. You can find this option on the left sidebar, typically associated with your workspace tools. It acts as a significant hub of interaction, bringing together different services and applications. After accessing the integration service or activities, you'll need to locate and select Microsoft 365. This selection is crucial because Microsoft 365 encompasses Outlook and a range of other applications, making it a versatile tool for automation solutions. Connecting to Microsoft 365 ensures that your workflow can communicate with your Outlook account. The next step involves signing in with your Outlook or Microsoft account within UiPath. It's essential to have your credentials ready for this stage. Make sure you're using the correct email address linked to the Outlook account you intend to integrate. UiPath will prompt you to enter your login details, similar to a regular sign-in process. Once you've entered your credentials, UiPath will require you to authorize permissions. This step is vital as it grants UiPath the necessary access to your Outlook information to perform tasks such as sending emails, reading messages, or handling calendar activities. A prompt will usually appear, detailing what permissions you're about to grant. Be sure to review these permissions carefully to ensure you're comfortable with what you are authorizing. After reviewing, proceed to authorize the connection. This gesture is critical to ensure that your workflows can execute without interruptions and securely communicate with your Outlook account. As a best practice, always confirm that both your UiPath and Outlook accounts adhere to your organizational security protocols and any personal preferences you have for safeguarding your data. A successful connection will streamline your ability to craft automation routines that involve email tasks, significantly reducing manual workload while maintaining the integrity of information processing. That's all it takes to connect Outlook to UiPath. It's an empowering step in bringing automation to life within your organization, paving the way for more sophisticated and time-saving workflows. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial, and I hope it sets the stage for endless possibilities with your UiPath projects.